Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find here and select settings. Then you need to find here and select more under wireless network, and here let's open the Tetrigan portable hotspot. So here you can tap on setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can tap here save. If you would like to, you can change the network name, security type, and the password. Right now you are using the following one. Here you can also enable and disable the portable hotspot by using that switcher. Right now the device is creating the hotspot, and that's it. Here you've got the icon. If you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.